Hey, Bingo Narano here from Bingodesigns. Today we're going to do the part 1 of our submarine animation series. So sit back because we will learn something today. And I hope you hit the subscribe button, like and share my video. So without further ado, let's get to it. Guys, go ahead and open our file. Make sure that its composition retain layers. Double click the composition and make sure that you turn on the transformation icon. We have to duplicate our reflection and move it down. Be patient with me guys, because this is my first time doing a voice-over tutorial, but no worries, I'm trying my best to make this easy to understand. And now guys, let's add our first animation. Hit P on your keyboard and add our first keyframe. Move the CTI for about 1 second or so. And add our second keyframe. Now, as you can see, we have our first animation. Yay! Now we have to select all the keyframes and hit F9 to make it easy use. Then we have to loop our animation, so select stopwatch icon and hit Alt and type this. But I'm going to put it in the description, so all you have to do is copy and paste the loop expression. Now, the next step is to duplicate the mirror, hit Ctrl D and put it above the reflection, and hit enter and rename it into mask, and change the track matte to alpha matte. Do the same to the other. Minimize the layer because it's time to animate the propeller. Get your anchor point tool. Guys, it's important to set the anchor point of the propeller before we animate. Just follow what I'm doing. We have to set up our 3D point to the center of our anchor point. Hit R on your keyboard to set the X rotation. Hit the first keyframe, go to 1 second. We need to set the value. Just type 1. Then select stopwatch, hit Alt, then type our loop expression. Now let's do the other propeller. Our first keyframe, the value would be 90. Move the CTI to set our second keyframe. The value would be 1. And guys, we need to paste our loopOut expression again. And after that, select the 2 layers. Hit Ctrl D to duplicate. Now guys, we need to edit the value of our X rotation, so select the 2 layers again and hit U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. First keyframe would be -90. Second keyframe would be 1. And this, the value would be 180. Second keyframe, the value would be 1. That's it for the part 1, guys. I hope you've learned something about animation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hope to see you in my next part 2 tutorial.